The shares in Facebook closed down 19% after Facebook said revenue growth would slow this quarter and next. The chief executive, Mark Zuckerberg, is $16 billion poorer than when he woke up this morning. And it's all because of a warning that Facebook says it's putting privacy first after the Cambridge Analytica scandal. And that'll mean having to spend big at a time when revenues are under pressure. If you look at the damage to the share price, you'll really put it into complete perspective. Now, when we say it's the largest fall ever, of course, other stocks have fallen by more than 20%. But the value that's been shattered as a result of this is what makes it exceptional. Off $123 billion worth of value. Now, there will be those that will point out that here at 175, we're really only back at the point of April, and even before then, we were down at 150 during the height of the Cambridge Analytica scandal. And that actually it has been the strong rebound since that has predicated this. But arguably, Samuel Burke is with me in London. Arguably, Samuel, those people like yourself will tell me that Cambridge Analytica was one thing, but this warning or these results go to the core business.
You don't lose $120 billion plus in stock market value for just one reason. This is a culmination of reasons going from Cambridge Analytica to all of the privacy issues that we have reported on this very program, terrorists using the platform. We're talking about fake news on the platform. And while nobody could have predicted, or very few could have predicted, that the stock would drop this much in one day, Mark Zuckerberg has been warning for months and months that if they're going to spend this amount of money that they're spending on policing the platform, that they won't be able to deliver the profits that Wall Street wants so badly.
But Samuel, that's one side of this equation. If you like, that is the supply side, the revenue side. But on the demand side, what always worries people about Facebook is whether as many users are going there, and if they are, how long are they staying, and what do their results tell us about that?
Is Facebook cool? That's the real question that you're getting to. And it's interesting because just a couple of quarters ago, we thought we saw the first crack. All of a sudden, a decline in users in the United States, the most important of all markets. But then the next quarter, it came back. But now we see this again, plateaued in Canada, stagnant in the United States, declining here in Europe. So now we're seeing more and more cracks. That comes to a different question then. Can the other platforms make up for it? There's another number that Facebook is focusing on now, 2.5 billion. That's the total amount of users using Facebook, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram. And now they're wanting to focus on that. And anybody who knows what's cool right now knows that Instagram is very cool. So anybody buying today, anyone seeing this as an opportunity, was thinking to themselves, WhatsApp, Instagram, those platforms can deliver value.